Hello people, and for this video, we'll be showing you how to create a custom Game Pass for your Please Donate booth, and we're going to show you a few of the features that can make it easier for you to go about in Please Donate. So before we launch the experience, let's go over and create our Game Pass. For that, it's going to be on our left-hand side here, as this is the Roblox player. For the web browser, it should be on your top right, but here it is on our left. To more. Once here, just click on Create, and you'll be redirected to the Roblox Creator Hub. So let's just go over to Creations and go over to our experience. By default, everyone has a place, but we're going here to the left side. You scroll down, go over to Passes, and from here, we can create a pass. So let's click on Create a Pass. Now this is the default image. Please take note that the largest size is 512 by 512. That's 512 pixels. So let me change it. There we go. You can put a description if you want. I will leave the name as is. That is a requirement since it will be displayed in game. Create a pass, and here you can see loading the image. Let me just refresh, and there it is. Now to monetize your pass, simply click on it to access its settings, and then here on the left hand side again, let's go to sales. Click the item for sale, and let's say 10. As you can see, the creator earnings is 70%, so if it's 10 you get 7, if it's 100 you get 70. Of course the rest goes to Roblox, but let me just leave it at 10, save the changes, and now we have a Game Pass. So let's go over and launch Please Donate. Now let's just find a booth, and you can hold E to claim it, and as you can see, it's here, our Game Pass. Now to edit our stand, we can change the booth. As you can see how much you need to donate it to add a custom booth. Each one is different. We can edit our text. Now it is applied. You can even change the font, as you can see. Now if your message isn't appearing, that is in the communication setting, which I will show later. Now if you want to move your booth, you simply have to hold it again, scroll down all the way to the bottom, and unclaim booth, and then we can claim another one. Now if your text isn't showing, let's go out of the experience, go over here to more, go to settings, go to privacy and content maturity, and then communication, and make sure that your experience chat is set to everyone, because if it's set to no one, all the text will be invisible. Now again, I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please leave a like, maybe subscribe, and ring the notification bell so you don't miss any of our new videos. Thank you for watching, and see you again next time.